going on? How's everyone doing?
Shout out to Colin. Everybody else who's cool with Colin.
Chucky! I didn't say.
Eat your popcorn and your Coca-Cola and relax.
Anyway, tell Colin I'm rich.
What's going on? This is Colin. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great day so far. I've got a good one for you. This is a defendant who doesn't understand the seriousness that she's in, that she has put herself in. She apparently likes to drink and drive, allegedly. But she's on bond for one DUI. While she's on bond for that, she gets another one, and I think they say it's her third one over just a short period of time. Judge isn't happy at all. And she just doesn't care. And he even calls her out on that. All right, before I hit that play button, you know what to do. Hit the like and subscribe. Do your jump kick backflips. Let's go.
2400498101 and 2100729901. The people of the state of Michigan. Versus Marquita Tanaje Respers. These matters are scheduled today for arraignment on information and violation hearing traffic. Appearances for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Elena Rozak on behalf of the people, P78815.
And good morning, Your Honor. Melanie Bates from Randall Upshaw's office appearing on behalf of Ms. Marquita Respres. Can you state your name for the record?
Yes, good morning, Marquita Respres. Your Honor.
Good morning. If we can hear from Mr. Heffron.
Good morning, Your Honor. Agent Tim Heffron on behalf of Michigan Department of Corrections.
Hey, with regard to the arraignment, counsel.
Your Honor, we waive formal reading of the information and stand mute to the charges.
All right, then I'll enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of Marquita Respres. Let's move on to the calendar conference. Let's see, motions shall be timestamped and filed no later than October 31st. Motions will be heard November 7th. Final conference will be conducted November 7th, 2024 at 11:30 a.m.
Judge, you said November 7th?
Yeah.
Okay.
November 7th, 2024 at 11:30 a.m. How is it January 6th trial date?
That works, Your Honor.
Okay, we'll set this for January the 6th, 2025 at 9:00 a.m. All right. And I assume she has an alcohol tether.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Madam Prosecutor, what's your position on bonds with regard to this one?
Well, Your Honor, I do believe that I'm not
What's the
positive.
current bond on this?
I think it's 70, is it 75?
On this case or on the probation case? Yeah, the 75,000 was on the probation case, but I don't know what a district court judge set this at.
2,000, 10% with alcohol tether.
2,000, 10% for fourth time drunk driving? Really? Huh.
All right, so I need to correct a few things. I said she was out on bond for a previous DUI. I also said it was her third. It was actually her fourth, and she was on probation. Yeah, I mean, and her 75,000 was her over her head on probation. She got a fourth DUI on probation, and she was given a $2,000 10% bond. That's $200. Yeah, we're gonna hear how this judge feels about that.
Madam Prosecutor?
And what is the bond on the it's 75,000 cash on the other violation?
The other one is 75,000, 10% or cash or surety with alcohol tether.
Okay. And Your Honor, I think that the problem I have is that I'm not as familiar with the case, and the occurrences that have gone on over the last 2 weeks, because I know Miss Respress was actually in custody, for quite some time before. This is the first time I've seen her out of custody since we've.
Yeah, she's on a probation where she was given 4 months in the Wayne County Jail and then told if she violates within the term of the probation, she'd be having a mandatory prison time of 2 years in prison. And she's apparently picked up another drunk driving and also has a violation of probation where she apparently was drinking on July 3rd also, in addition to the drunk driving.
Okay, and
This is a 4th time too, drunk driving.
okay, and there was one more question, I'm sorry, that I had.
Well, I don't need more. I'm gonna set her bond at 75,000, 10%. This is in addition to the other bond, 75,000, 10%, and an alcohol tether with regard to that.
Your Honor, is it,
And also a GPS tether, and she's on house arrest too, if she can post those things.
Your Honor, so you're talking about the Westland case, you're changing that bond?
I'm up, but that's ridiculous, $2,000. That's ridiculous.
case.
Yeah.
So
No.
this one is 75,000, 10%.
This is 75,000, 10%, alcohol tether, GPS tether, and she's on house arrest and no drinking.
Okay. And will she be able to work
Will
during
she be able to do what?
work?
She can go to work. What are her work hours?
Because I know she's employed at Ford and her
Okay.
manager has been present with her in court. So I've spoken to him, talked to him. She's a great employee. She has the issues, but I just want to make sure she can keep the employment right now.
She can go to work. What days does she work?
What days do you work?
Your Honor, I work Monday through Friday, 3 to 11, Your Honor. And I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate you even considering a bond. And I am so sorry. Prior to this, Your Honor, I haven't had a drink within 3 years. I just completely had a relapse and I took myself to rehab, Your Honor, just to realize that me as a human, I didn't understand that drinking could cause so much harm, not only to me, but to other people. And I would just like to say,
You
Your Honor,
need to come and sit in my court and see mothers coming here tell me that drunk drivers
Yes.
drive up on the sidewalk, kill a 4-year-old riding their bike down the sidewalk, not hurting anybody in the world, and the lady can't even remember hitting her. I don't need to talk with you anymore, okay? We're gonna, what are
So
the
you said-
days she works? Monday through Friday is what I heard?
Monday through Friday, 3
Monday
p.m.
through Friday, what hours?
3 p.m. to 11.
Okay.
All right, 3 to 11. Does she need to leave at 3 or what time does she need to leave?
Prior to 3 to get there at 3. About how?
From my job, about 2:15.
All right, we'll say 2 till 11:45 p.m. All right,
Right, I just thank God.
but it's gonna be 75,000, 10%. And ma'am, if you have one drink, you are sitting in jail till these hearings. You understand that? Anything unclear about that?
Yes, so you're more than clear.
All right.
I'm continuing AA as we speak, Your Honor. But July the 3rd, I did not have a drink, Your Honor.
All right. All right. Anything else we need to take up?
All right, you need to stop talking. You need to stop talking. You're not currently in front of the judge for what happened on July 3rd. He addressed that you had a violation on the 3rd, but you're in front of him for your 4th DUI lady. And how is she not in custody? They said she wasn't in custody. So I guess she posted the 2,000. Man, but now 150,000 now. 4 DUIs. She's in front of the wrong judge. Like this judge apparently is he puts his foot down to DUIs, which is good. But yeah, he's not playing around. He's not happy.
Nothing further.
All right, nothing further. This matter is completed. You know what? I'm sorry. I did set a trial date. It was
January 6th.
January 6th at 9. All right, nothing further. This matter is completed. Everybody have a great day.
So, Judge, I just want to make sure
Oh, and also I'm signing an order of reciprocal discovery. I'm sorry, what were you saying,
the
Counsel?
75,000 that you upped from the 2,000, 10%. Can she apply any of that money towards the the new bond is 75,000, 10%.
Those are two separate bonds.
Okay.
Those are two separate bonds. One is for the violation of probation, and this one is for this bond.
Is there any way it could be a little bit lower so she can post that bond so she can make sure
Absolutely not.
they can?
If anything, I'm gonna raise it. I don't want her out there killing somebody. This is very serious.
Okay.
She's got a very excellent chance of going to prison.
Understood, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right.
Your Honor, may I be able to make a call by chance, please?
Yeah,
Just, I'm talking about like without being collect, because all my things, I don't want to just lose everything. And I understand I'm wrong, Your Honor.
we're gonna let you use the phone.
I
You
don't
got
have
it
$75,000 at all.
All right.
Say, Fred, hold on. Do you have your
All right.
phone on you?
Yeah.
She doesn't get how serious this is.
Your Honor,
Yeah, I don't think she does. I don't think she understands it at all. She's talking like she's going to make that bond. She has two different $75,000 bonds. This is crazy. Anyways, that's all I have. I just wanted to put this one out there. I don't like drunk drivers. That's why I tell everybody, and it's Friday. That's why I always end my streams on Friday night with saying, don't do anything dumb. There's no reason to. There isn't. I will cover your court case. I will. That's why I say don't do anything dumb. All right. Have a safe weekend, everybody, if I don't see you tonight. And yeah, until next time, bye.
Your Honor, I'll go up to rehab and everything.
Yeah, you gotta do something.